Ever spent hours researching a product just to write a marketing brief? Digging through websites, analyzing features, figuring out who'd buy it? What if you could do all that in 30 seconds? Today, I'm showing you the Product Ready Reckoner in TurboAgents, and this tool will completely change how you approach product marketing. Traditionally, this takes 4 to 8 hours. You're digging through product pages, translating specs into benefits, figuring out who to target, and writing it all up. The Product Ready Reckoner does all of that automatically and delivers a 7-section marketing brief that's export ready. Let me show you with a real example. 3 simple fields, that's it. Field 1, product name. Be specific. Apple iPhone 17 Pro, not just iPhone. Field 2, product URL. Paste the official product page, not Amazon, the actual brand page where the rich content lives. Field 3, promotional details. Optional but powerful. Tell it about your campaign focus. For this demo, I'm highlighting the titanium design and camera capabilities. Now I hit Generate Ready Reckoner. Watch this. In 30 seconds, the AI is crawling the product page, analyzing features, translating to benefits, identifying audiences, creating a complete marketing brief. Beautiful. Look at this. 7 fully structured sections instantly. Section 1. Product info and elevator pitch. It's pulled the value prop. The ultimate creative powerhouse, combining a lightweight titanium design with the first ever triple 48-megapixel fusion camera system, and written a complete elevator pitch. That's campaign-ready copy right there. Section 2, Audience and Positioning. It's identified the exact target: professional creators, filmmakers, mobile photographers. It's built a persona, the unbound creator who needs studio-quality tools in the field and refuses to compromise. And it's surfaced their real pain points: overheating during 4K recording, inconsistent zoom quality, device fatigue on long shoots. That's actual market research, done in seconds. Section 3, Features and Benefits. Every spec becomes a customer benefit. Titanium body becomes lightweight durability that resists corrosion and drops. A 19 Pro chip becomes console-level gaming and instant AI processing. It even calls out the hero differentiators: first iPhone with triple 48-megapixel sensors, exclusive vapor chamber cooling, the new plateau camera design. These are your sharpest talking points, ready to go. Section 4, Proof and Credibility. Hard data, certifications. IP68, ProRes RAW, ACES compatible, and testimonials, all structured and ready to drop into a deck or ad. Section 5, Specs and Usage. Core specs, a step-by-step how-to-use guide, even care instructions. Perfect for e-commerce listings, sales sheets, or onboarding content. Section 6, Brand Voice. Tagline, the ultimate pro. Tone and key brand words. Your whole team stays on brand without a single briefing call. Section 7, Promotional Adaptation. This is where it gets smart. Because I entered titanium design and camera as my promo focus, the tool has tailored the entire output to that brief, highlighting the synergy between the titanium chassis and the 48-megapixel camera system, and positioning the device as a rugged studio tool. One click, it all exports to a formatted Word document, ready for your team or clients. Let's talk ROI. Traditional brief creation, 4 to 8 hours. Product Ready Reckoner, 30 seconds. At $50 per hour, that's $200 to $400 saved per product. But it's not just time, it's consistency across your team. It's scalability. Analyze your competitor's entire product line in an afternoon instead of a month. It's confidence. You have a rock-solid foundation to build on. Every marketer, product manager, and agency professional needs this. It amplifies human creativity by eliminating the grunt work. The Product Ready Reckoner is live now inside TurboAgents. Try it today, and you'll wonder how you ever managed without it.